Hello everyone, welcome to Happy English Kids. Unit 3, Numbers and Colors. Spiders, spiders. 9 spiders. What color are the spiders? The spiders are black. How many spiders? There are 9 spiders. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spiders. Rabbits, rabbits. 10 rabbits. What color are the rabbits? The rabbits are gray. How many rabbits? There are 10 rabbits. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many rabbits is holding a carrot? 2. How many rabbits is lying down? 1.